Alright guys, so welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today's vlog didn't work out. I started recording when I was out and about, and then I don't know what happened to the footage on the camera. It just didn't work out. So basically today was doctor's day. So I've been trying to get into my doctor's office for like 2 months. 2 months. So finally got in. First my doctor actually decided to retire early. Like a lot of doctors just burned out. They just can't do it anymore. They've seen so much last year. They don't have it in them. And his burnout turned out to be health issues. So that was another reason why he had to retire. So I was a little bit skeptical of my new doctor. I was a little nervous. I'm like, oh God, hopefully my new doctor is good. I don't have an issue, that kind of deal. And turned out she was amazing. And it also turned out that she was under my old doctor from like 10 years ago. So when she mentioned that doctor, I was all excited because that's like, okay, she was treated good, because that was one of the best doctors I've ever had. Not the best. My best is still another doctor, but she was like second, and she was very caring, and I love that. I love when I get a doctor that really take time to talk to you. One of the things that she said to me that was like the first to ever really happen, she asked about my mental health. I was like, oh, we're doing that now? That's a new thing that these doctors are doing now? And I was like, I love that. I love that she asked that, because it was such an intimate way, because it was just me and her in the office, and I was just like, thank you, you know, kind of deal, because I've never had a regular doctor ask me that. So that was a good conversation. And the thing is, my mental health under control. I think I'm fairly good in that aspect because of how honest I am with myself and methods that I use. The part that I fail at, and I have to be honest with you guys, because I'm always on journaling, helping your mental health, but I'm neglecting my physical health. And she called me out on it and was like, you need to get this under control. And she looked at my weight over the years and how it's been. She literally went through my charts and really assessed me. And so I was supposed to do my dietitian, nutritionist, I forgot what umbrella this one fall under, and I never went through it. So now I got an appointment for the next 2 days. Then she's like, well, we still have to screen you. So now I have to get screened, of course, to make sure that my cholesterol is under control, my sugar is under control. This way they can determine how to proceed with my my nutrition and dietitian information. So that is the goal for 2022. I have to live healthy living. I have to embrace healthy living all around, not just my mental health, but also my body as a whole. So that was a awakening moment for me today, and I was just like, I'm liking this doctor, because she was just not letting me get away with the nonsense I was coming at her with, or the excuses, because there's a lot of excuses. And I was doing well this year, and I know once my dog wasn't feeling good, and I realized if my mental health not good, sometimes my body will betray me, because I will crave the things I shouldn't crave. And when it happened in August and I got knocked off, because you guys who follow me on my other Instagram, PD_girl, know that I was on it. I was working out a lot and I was on it. And then, you know, just my spirit was broken, and mentally I was just not there. So that was a factor in it. And now I know I have to find ways to balance it, because I'm getting older and there's things that my body is not going to be able to recover from fast. So I need to be able to be in a healthier body, physically and also mentally. So that's where we were today, guys. And it was a tough call for me to deal with, because I was just like sitting in the car like, man. So I also mailed off the gifts for the Ajournalmood challenge 2-year anniversary. So those are in the mail. So one was a grand prize and one was a smaller gift. So those 2 people, it is on the way. If you're watching this, should be there by the end of the week or early next week. So you should get it before Christmas. But these items are your, you know, start a new year kind of item. So let's talk about what I'm reading. The Teller of Secrets. Now, this book, I knew it was going to be a family thing, but I just didn't know it was going to be this heavy. It's a heavy one, guys. Let me read a little glimpse of it. Alright, the main character name is Essie. And it says, she is the unofficial secret keeper of her family, as a tight-lipped about her father's adultery as she is about her half-sister's sex lives. But after she is humiliated and punished for her own sexual exploration, Essie began to question why women's secrets and men's secret bear different consequences. It is the beginning of a journey of discovery that will lead her to unexpected places. So, heavy. I'm at 50-something pages in, and I'm already thinking, yo, I hope she got something going on for her to really, like, not be sucked into this nonsense of a culture and family that she's dealing with. The things that they did to her at a young age that they should have done to the person who violated her. Yeah, so this is a heavy one. And then this one has it's short, but this one it's not my genre, so I know I have to take my little time with it. It has some magical realism in it, dealing with the ghosts of the past kind of deal. This land that is considered, what's I'm getting from it so far, because I'm only like 15 pages in, so I'm not that far in at all. That this land have this history, and this one descendant is still alive, and this person that's like doing research or exploring that area decided to contact, and the guy was more like, oh, you want to know, huh? You want to open up that door, huh? That kind of deal. So we don't know where this is going, but these are the two books that I want to focus on this week. And then this is the book for the end of the week. So for those of you who are going to be reading Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol, I hope to finish this by the weekend, because this is going to be where I'm going to read this and also give you the rundown of all the other books that I read from him and where I rank it and how where I suggest you start. So this is going to be the third one that I read for the week. So yeah, I am doing this, and then I have about 3 more hours to eat. So I'm going to cook something quick and eat, and try to be full and good, because I can't eat for a couple of hours because they need me to be on a fast. So that is the goal for today. But yeah, guys, you know, healthy living, that's my goal, that's my mission. And yeah, today was a rude awakening. Like, yeah, Peter, you're getting old now, you gotta get together. So you know, it's subject like this, I know it's sensitive for a lot of people, but share your experience. Have you ever worked with a dietitian or somebody that handles your nutrition? And did it work for you? Or if you were a person that had an issue with food, not even just food, but eating the right kind of food, because I'm not an excessive eater. I just think that I don't eat the right food, so I need to be able to know incorporate other food in my diet. Because I just realized too, one of the things is I don't eat a lot of other things. I tend to eat the same thing over and over, and I don't eat a lot of the other things. So I need to be able to add some more vegetables, things that I don't eat a lot of in my diet, that has enough, you know, nutrients that I need, and also filling that I'm able to shed some weight. Yeah girl, yeah, this girl needs to shed some weight, especially her abs. Anyway, I'm gonna end this here, guys. I know this is a pitiful video. I know y'all want happy stuff, but it's Vlogmas. It also includes some real life things, not just all the stuff I'm doing. But anyway, I'm gonna probably do some sewing tonight as well, because I know I'm not going to sleep no time soon. And then yeah, we're going to continue this. And the blanket, oh yeah, the blanket is nowhere shape. Yeah, that's another commitment that I realized, that you have to pay attention, because you miss a loop and it's all messed up. So anyway,